Giving you praise this morning. Yeah. Giving you praise this morning. Yeah. You say hello, yes, Israyl. Your mother and your father. Your cousin and your neighbor. Just enjoy life. The body with the corners on the things and things. Just enjoy life. Think about the children, all the kings and queens. Just enjoy life. Appreciate the rise and rejoice and sing. Just enjoy life. This is your life. Yeah. Well, it's another day, it's another rising. Yeah, I gotta give praise, I'm not depriving. No, we are, we bless me with the breath of life. Yeah, 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 yeah. Got to rejoice. I gotta try to luck when ya just it. The body with the partners on your bills and things. Just it. Big up all the children, all the kings and queens. Just it. Appreciate the rising, rejoice and sing. Just it. This is your life, yeah. I wouldn't really have it no other way, no. So many things they try to make us stray, yeah. Give thanks for life each and every day, yeah. Do away with the strife. You gotta spread the love and say, just it. Nobody with the colors on your bills and things. Just it. Big up all the children, all the kings and queens. Just it. Appreciate the rising, rejoice and sing. Just it. Oh yeah, this is your life. Yeah, yeah, I cut it short because we already talked. My name is Israyl anyway. I do have some CDs for sale if you want to support. They're only $5, you know. Enjoy your life, give thanks and praise every day. Yeah, rock. Yes.